Oh, mommy bought new cups for you, ha? Oh. Oh, you enjoy. One. Each of you gets 1 cup, okay? 1 cup. Cheesecake here. Yours. That's yours. Oreo, of course you have one. Here. Oreo, here. That's one for you. Whoop. 1, 2, 3 cups. Okay, ha? You have 1 each, ha? Don't fight. Okay? Okay, come on. Wow. Come on. Try it. Come on. What? You don't like? You don't like? Ay? What? You don't like? Okay. Oh, here. I'm gonna bring it near. Okay, come on. Blueberry Oreo. Cheesecake, this is yours. Cheesecake. Oreo. No. Blueberry, this is yours. This is yours. That's yours, okay? Okay. Play with it now. Come on. Oh, 1 cup each, ah. To be fair, you have 1 ball also. 1 ball each. What? Okay. No, cheesecake. That's Oreo's cup. Oreo, this is yours. Oreo. This is yours. Cheesecake. No. This is cheesecake. This is yours. Blueberry. Blueberry. This is yours. This is yours. This is yours. Okay. Okay, go. Play with it now. Come on. 1 cup each, okay? You have also balls. Some balls. 1 ball each of you. Okay? Look. 1 ball. Wait. This one is yours. Here. This one is yours. Cheesecake yellow. And this one's yours. Oreo. Good morning, egg yolk. Good morning. Breakfast time. Yan, binibigyan na ni Idol ang pagkain ng aming bagong baby budgie. Si egg yolk.
Egg yolk. Egg yolk. Here is your food, egg yolk. Egg yolk. There you go, egg yolk. Yan.
Oh, wow!
Egg yolk.
Exploring, ha?
Come on. Good morning, egg yolk. Good morning, egg yolk. Hello.
Open mo nga, Dad, to. Iyan na natin. Hello! Good morning! Good morning!
Egg yolk.
Good morning!
Try mo. Try.
Dapat araw-araw